murang kayo sa kanya eh. That's why he gets away with it.
You
have to take a stand. Nasisira tayo rito all because of him.
Hindi, walang right.
Diba?
Mga taong walang
Tama o mali. Diba? My goodness, food.
kasayahan tayo.
Oh my gosh, food. At saka,
Wala naman yung birthday ng kaibigan niya.
mami naman, no?
Kawawa naman si Alvin, birthday na
birthday,
Wait, actually, hindi ko alam na ganun pala ang nangyari. Ngayon ko lang nabasa.
Ka naman plastic, he's really your best friend.
No, attorney, you cannot label me like that. Relax. Because I'm trying to explain right now.
Ako kasi yung binalastin.
Kaya nga, I didn't know. Kung hindi siya sumigaw, hindi ko malaman.
Pero sinasabi ko kasi, huwag ka nang magpapaka-plastic.
Why would you say that I'm plastic?
Tell us, do you think what he's doing is correct or not?
I'm trying to talk to him kasi nga, this is not good kasi hindi naman pala humba. Give me a chance to talk to him. Kaya nga, hindi pala humba. Let me talk to him privately.
There's right and there's wrong. And
You cannot intimidate me with shouting like that.
No, I'm not intimidating you.
I can make a stance without shouting.
Well, okay.
So don't intimidate me. Because I'm not intimidated by you. That's why I'm trying to fix.
Why, you think I care if you're intimidated by me?
Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm shouting too.
It's his birthday, so please stop.
But I was the one blasphemed.
I know, but
Don't
please
tell me
stop.
to stop.
Please.
I was the one blasphemed. I was the one.
Please.
Mag-please ka na mag-please. Ako ang
Please
binastos.
stop.
Mami, magkano yung humba na yan? I'll pay 10 times the
No,
amount.
you're my son. You can eat as long
Oh my
as you
God,
want.
oh my God, oh my God, what the...
And you know what?
Condemn
Attorney, wait.
Attorney,
This is
Take a stand.
this food is not for Aldo.
attorney, I think you have the issue with Aldo, not with Alvin. It's Aldo's birthday, please.
Wait. Kasi gusto ni attorney na I need to take a stance ganito.
Yeah, but-
So I'm trying to contact Aldo to delete it or what not para matapos.
Bakit nilabas ko nito? Napagplastikan kasi tayo eh.
No, I don't think so.
Napagplastikan tayo eh. Pero it's a matter of right or wrong. I'm telling you. Take a stand
What?
on what is right and what is wrong.
Wait, why do we need to always broadcast this the whole Philippines? When we can deal with this silently.
No, we cannot.
Kaya because no, that's why hindi ko alam. Hindi.
Ang daming
Are we
tao
not-
marami.
Kayang attorney.
Marami po.
We're trying to fix it nga, di ba? Can you remove your...
Pagbigyan natin si Alvin.
I'm sorry
na
for your birthday,
i-defense.
pero it's
Oo.
really...
Kasi,
evil na eh. It's right or wrong, at saka ikaw naman, Geraldine. Pag may nabiktima, hayaan mo magsalita yung biktima.
correct.
Kasi pag pinigil mo yung biktima magsalita, you're condoning a wrong.
My apologies, sir. That I say please stop. Because the point is, sir. Kasi
Happy lang tayo eh.
Pwede naman sana natin to usapan ng normal tayo. Hindi, wait lang.
Hindi yan.
Kailangan din natin idaan kung baga kamay na bakal kasi ilang beses ako nakiusap kay Aldo nang maayos
Why do we need to do grandstanding when there's so many people here?
para malaman ni Aldo
You should have just called
ginagawa
Aldo.
niya. Kasi ayaw niya mag-stop eh. Ayaw niya mag-stop.
Nag-mention ba si Aldo ng name? Nag-mention si Aldo ng name?
Private?
Nag-mention ba siya ng name?
Kalimutan.
Wala naman siguro. Wala man. This is a flap. Oh my goodness.
Ako yun.
May mukha po ba ninyo, attorney? Meron na.
Meron, mukha nga ni attorney, mukha na to.
Pero dili si share na ni Aldo, dili siya.
Kaya nga eh. We share kasi with label. We share niya with
Somebody
label.
posted. Somebody posted.
Somebody reposted.
Reposted. Attorney, reposted po siya.
Reposted na ko pero may caption siyang sarili.
Tama o mali?
Buti nag-enjoy sa
Diba?
Tapos
It's an issue of right or wrong. Tama ba yan o mali?
Hindi sinaglan si
Hindi,
Alvin.
usapang diretsa na kasi alam mo, if we are to continue as a community, dapat tapat tayo.
Sa niya, buti na lang nag-enjoy sa buba.
Dapat tapat, wala na yung ganyan-ganyan.
Enhancing treatment towards
Kaya sa ngayon,
Alvin.
alam na ng mga tao yung kagagawan niyang kagaguhan. Respeto din naman.
Kasi food eh, on a
Ano
birthday.
siya, supportan ba talaga siya o ano?
Food on a birthday. Bakit ganyan?
Okay, relax lang.
Mali talaga yun.
For one, actually mali.
Mali, yes po. Huwag na tayo mag-ano.
O mali man talaga siya.
Mali talaga. Pero hindi na sana tayo nag-away-away.
And also, you know, wait lang, attorney. I'm sorry that I raised my voice on, you know. I know that
The first time na nagkakainkwento tayo, alam mo naman na paulit-ulit.
yeah, because not directly na, sa atin naman to. Wait lang, ma'am, kasi hindi man ikaw ang naano. Bakit ikaw mag-ano-ano dyan? Wait lang, kasi we're trying to fix siya ang naano. We're trying, wag ka magsigaw. Okay, wait. I'm sorry na tumaas yung ano ko, boses ko sa iyo because hindi ko naman talaga alam. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na pagsigaw ni ate. Kasi ang sa amin lang naman, celebrate tayo dito, nagka-isa-isa tayo dito, ganyan. Because
And you're still broadcasting.
sa akin, para malaman, nagsigawan na nga tayo.
Maintindihan why you need to broadcast.
Kanina pa lang to, attorney. Kaya ngayon, wait lang.
Since we're being
Kasi,
broadcasted,
oo.
ha? Si Aldo is your closest friend, correct?
I only know him here, but I consider him a friend.
Yes,
Okay.
That is why I am telling you, you need to take a stand for what is right and what is wrong.
Okay.
Hindi po pwede na kung ano-anong ginagawa niya, you keep quiet.
Okay.
As if, at saka diretsahan na,
Oo.
alam ko rin at ay back, nagtatawanan kayong dalawa.
Okay.
Di ba? Alam ko yan, wala na tayong ligoy-ligoy pa.
Sige,
I've
tapos?
even seen videos of it. So ang sa akin lang, para maging tapat ang relasyon, magpakatotoo tayo.
Okay.